Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of English Grammar Class 4. So today we are going to learn about chapter 3 verbs. So in this video we will going to do the explanation and the bookwork of this chapter. Verb. A verb is one of the most important parts of the sentence. Without verb, sentence is incomplete. It tells us a subject's actions, events, or state of being. So, it tells us what the subject is doing. It is always found in the predicate of the sentence. So, as we know, in sentence there is a subject and predicate, and in predicate we always found a verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, a condition, or a state of being. So, here verb tell us what the subject is doing. It tell us about the action of the subject. For example, the director squeezed his nose. Here, squeezed is verb. His nose is big. So here is verb. The director is squeezing his nose. Is squeezing is verb here. There are three types of verbs. First, action verb. Second, linking verb. And third, helping verb. Now we will see the action verbs. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. The action verb tells what its subject does. So, what is the function of the action verbs? Action verb tell us the action of the subject, or the action can be physical or it can be mental. For example, the farmer feeds the chickens. Here, feeds is the verb. Now, what it tells us? It tells that the subject is feeding the chickens. Second one, he likes the red rooster best. Likes is the verb here. So what he is telling about the subject? That the subject likes the red rooster best. The words are action verbs like ran, coughed, swallowed, ride, awake, sang. Now we will do some practice. Can you find the action verb in each sentence? Question number 1. The girls danced in the recital. Here, danced is the verb. Second, our mailman drove a funny car last week. Here, drove is the verb. Question number 3. His teacher wrote the answers on the board. Here, wrote is the verb. Question number 4. Alice worked on her homework last night. So here, worked is the action verb. Linking verbs. A linking verb links its subject to a word in the predicate. So what is the work of the verb? It joins the subject and predicate. Linking verb express a condition or a state of being. Linking verb does not need any main verb. It acts alone. For example, the cow is blue. So here is the verb, and it tells that the cow is of which color? It is blue. Now, there are 9 common linking verbs. Am, are, be, being, become, is, seem, was, were. So all these are linking verbs. To remember these linking verbs, use this saying. We can use a trick to learn all these common linking verbs. All boys in school work. You can see the starting alphabet of it. Here all alphabet is A, where we can learn am, are. Boys alphabet B, be, being, become. In alphabet I is school. The first alphabet S, seem, and work. The first alphabet is W, where we learn was and were. This is an easy trick to remember all these linking verbs. Helping verbs. A helping verb helps a main verb express action or precise shades of meaning. So here, helping verb always needs main verb, and it helps the main verb to express the action. The combination of one or more helping verbs is called a verb phrase. So when we use more than one helping verb, that is called verb phrase. For example, Elmir was using the computer. So here you can see the main verb and the helping verb was using. There are 23 helping verbs: may, might, must, be, being, been, am, are, is, was, were, do, does, did, should, could, would, have, had, has, will, can, shall. So these are the helping verbs. But sometimes be, being, been, am, are, is, was, were act as a main verb, and also do, does, did, have, had, has. These also sometimes act as a main verb. Other things should be keep in mind, like not every sentence will have a helping verb with the main verb. So here you can see that not every sentence have a helping verb, but they will have a main verb. When you see ing verbs such as running, be on the lookout for a helping verb also. So whenever you see ing in any sentence, there will be definitely helping verb will be there. So you have to find out helping verb in that condition where ing is used. Sometimes there is another word which separates the helping verb from the main verb. One example is not. So sometimes some words are there which separates the helping verb from the main verb. For example, in this example you can see not is there. The boy could not find his socks. So you can see that could is the helping verb and find is the main verb, and not is the word which separates the helping verb and the main verb. A sentence may contain up to 3 helping verbs to the main verb. So in many sentences you can see that 3 or 2 helping verbs is there in the sentence with the main verb. For example, the dog must have been chasing the cat. So here must, have and being are the helping verb. Chasing is the main verb here. So you can see that 3 helping verbs is being used in this sentence. So let's practice. Find the verb in each sentence. Question number 1. Hopefully it will snow this year. Will snow is the verb. Question number 2. The student asked his teacher a question. So asked here is the verb. Question number 3. Jackson is very energetic. Is verb here. Question number 4. Students in the class were really loud. Were here is the verb. Question number 5. I am confused about algebra. Am is the verb here. Question number 6. The girls sang in the competition. Sang is the verb here. Question number 7. Always do your best. Do is the verb here. Question number 8. The earth revolves around the sun. Revolves is the verb here. Now we will see the subject and verb agreement. The subject and verb in a clause should always agree in number. Here means that if the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. So it acts according to the subject. For example, Joy walks. So here joy is the singular subject. So the verb will be singular. Walks. Joy and Maggie walk. So Joy and Maggie is the plural subject. So walk will be plural. She runs. She is a singular subject. So singular verb will be runs. They ran. So they is the plural subject. So the verb will be plural. So it will be run. Now we will do the book work here. So the first one, question A, fill in the blanks with the verbs given below. So here in the box the verbs have been given and we have to fill the correct word in their correct blank. For example, first one, Ahmed is dash a boat. Ahmed is rowing a boat. Likewise, all have been done for you. Question B, what you have to do, you have to match the nouns in column A with their action words or the verbs in the column B. In column A, nouns given and in column B, action words have been given. So you have to match with the correct answers. Question number C. Fill in the blanks with the verbs which mean the opposite of the highlighted words. Highlighted verbs have been written in the red letter. What you have to do, you have to write the opposite meaning of that highlighted verbs. Like first one, the ice in the mountain freezes during the winter but dash during the summer. Here freezes is the highlighted word and the opposite of the highlighted word will be melts. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now question number D, tick the correct verbs and rewrite in these sentences. What you have to do? First you have to correct the correct verbs and then you have to rewrite the sentences. Like the first one, Uncle Pi are waiting is writing a new story. Is writing will be the correct and then you have to write the whole sentence again. Likewise, all have been done for you. Question E. Fill in the blanks with the plural verbs from the bracket. You have to write the plural verb, correct plural verb in the blanks. For example, the elephant dash on the grass. Is walking, are walking. Are walking is the correct word there. Likewise, all have been done for you. Question F. Circle the correct verbs in the sentences. You have to find out the correct verb and you have to circle it. First one, she is or are going to Delhi. So here we are talking about the singular person, so it will be is. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now it's time for your homework. What you have to do, I have already done all the book work in this video. What you have to do, you have to write down in your grammar book. I hope you understood all the explanation and book work. Thank you.